So this is going to be a bit of an experiment. I just found out about these solder seal connectors, and I watched a couple of videos on them. They're kind of cool. I like them just because they're way easier than soldering, and I just found out about them. I would like to see what happens when I add a little flux to the twist joint, and to see if I can actually get that little solder ring to, and then cut it apart and see what it does, and how well it actually gets into the wires itself. See whether it actually penetrates into the wire loom. I don't know. I think that would be interesting. And you know what? If it doesn't work, or it's not interesting, hey, we learned that too, didn't we? So there's, you go ahead and you twist them together. So I'm going to go ahead and put a nice tight twist on them. Tight, like a tiger's pants ought to be. Here we go. Yes, I know. This looks like I'm trying to paint the Mona Lisa with a wall brush. Then we go ahead and slide that back over. And this worked really well. So I think I'm just going to use that again. There we go. That low temperature solder seems to be melting. That's interesting. It seems to be flowing along the wires much better. That's really interesting. There we go. I was a little bit worried that this flux might off gas and like inflate it or something. But that doesn't look like that's the case. All right. Ooh, that's pretty warm. I'm going to go ahead and cool this off with the air hose. I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. Now it's not hot enough to fucking cook my fingers. If any of you guys are electrical, I don't know, specialty people, or like know a lot about these or that kind of stuff, tell me about this idea. Tell me about putting flux on it. I don't know. It seems like it could help, but well, I'm an amateur, and as the person that let me know about these things ascertained, I'm a dumbass. So let me know. Here we go. And the glue, it's not really glue, it just seems like it's more of a sealer. So yeah, there we go. Comes off. Oh, there we go. I'll tell you what. That looks much, much better. Like for a solder joint, I would say it's kind of crap. But, I mean, I was able to pull, well, I'll tell you what, let's compare them. This is the one that we did without Flux. See if I can't slice the piss out of my fingers. The universal bloodletters. We're modern. We don't need leeches. Oh, that's pretty... there we go. It came apart, but I mean, it definitely had some strength to it. You can see that ring of solder. It doesn't seem to have really penetrated the wires. Maybe a little bit right here, but there's definitely none on this side. So that's interesting. And then this is the side with Flux. So, holy fucking shit! No, I know you guys can't tell how hard I'm pulling on this thing, but man, holy fuck. I'm really, well, you can tell. I pulled it hard enough to pull the insulation back on that. And she ain't coming apart. I would say that is just as good as a traditionally soldered connection. That is strong as shit. Holy hell. I was expecting... God damn. You see, I got fucking ham hits here, man. God damn. Oh, I'd say that is... Holy shit, Flux works, man. That is something. Yeah. Anybody that would know if this is a shitty idea, let me know. Thanks.